current technology of the train control and management system is still far behind the standards of smart technology. It is often called brain of the train, but existing solutions are complex and costly. Since there are many different manufacturers involved, those systems vary considerably from one train manufacturer to another. Many a train manufacturer's vision of a single, easily upgradable platform to control all train systems is still beyond reach. Most trains in 2018 still contain a huge spiderweb of systems and applications that are barely talking to each other. Due to historical reasons and cost involved with certification, each individual subsystem in a train has used its own electronic architecture, with very limited interoperability. Removing the need for those custom island solutions and integrating the train functions into one common platform is the main objective of Safe4RAIL. In Safe4RAIL, we call this common platform the Integrated Modular Platform, or short IMP. It is a combination of two main parts, a computation software and a communication platform. Those parts are both open and interoperable. The consortium aims at creating an IMP apt to be the foundation of the next generation TCMS, hosting the most critical applications of the train to the highest certification requirements. Safe4RAIL develops the architectural blueprints for this IMP, in line with the requirements of reliability, robustness, and criticality. Since testing on track with the actual hardware would be complex and expensive, Safe4RAIL will be developing specific technologies supporting the virtualization of the testing process as well. The connection of virtual and real components whilst the testing process will be possible due to a set of communication emulators, thus enabling hardware-in-the-loop and software-in-the-loop testing, including real and simulated hardware components and applications. Further, a test bench for train-to-ground communication will be developed by Safe4RAIL to support the testing of train-mounted and ground equipment. Maximizing the interoperability while minimizing physical complexity and cost is the joint interest of the manufacturers. Safe4RAIL will provide recommendations for standardization and certification of next-generation TCMS embedded platforms in order to boost the competitiveness and preserving the global leadership of the European transport industry. Following the completion of Safe4RAIL will be the implementation of the solution in hardware and software prototypes and demonstrators. The main objective is to develop these prototypes within the 2 years following Safe4RAIL and perform interoperability tests,